Our faculty will be the pillars in realizing our vision. Vidyashilp University will invest deeply in our faculty. We will do everything possible to attract good talent, to develop the talent, and to retain the talent so that they experience personal and professional satisfaction in the university. Our selection process is quite unique. We begin with conversations with the faculty. There will be at least 2 or 3 conversations to build the relationship. We want to ensure that the faculty understand the context of the university and we understand the aspirations and strengths of the faculty. The domain competence, the academic records, the research capability of the faculty will also be evaluated. We will set aside development funds for faculty, for research, for projects that they would like to engage in, and for their own professional growth. It is vital for a university to have faculty with varying interests. For instance, there may be faculty who have the DNA for research. For them, research comes naturally, they're propelled by research, and the university will take cognizance of that and allow them to pursue their research interests. It may also happen that a faculty has more strengths in the area of administration. They may not be great researchers, but they will be very good administrators. The university will take cognizance of this strength and allow the faculty to grow in their area of interest and in their area of strength. A university needs all kinds of faculty to come together. We need excellent teachers, we need good researchers, we need good administrators, we need good networking people. So it's a combination of strengths that enriches the faculty community in the university. Diversity among our faculty is also important. We will have diversity in gender, we will have diversity in culture and locations. All of this enriches the university. We will pay particular attention to ensure that there is gender equality even in our faculty, which is very vital for the growth of the university. Another dimension of faculty involvement and leadership is in social engagement. Our mission of sustainable development, social engagement, awareness of social issues for our students have to be modeled and led by our faculty. Our faculty will have enough opportunities to do social engagement projects, again of their interests. Faculty and students will come together to create this enjoyable experience of social engagement. And we look forward to see many projects, many new things emerge out of this symbiotic relation between the teacher and the student.